We were up early today for breakfast, as we had to be at the onward MTS station by 8:30. We had signed up for a half-day class at the Bangkok Thai Cooking Academy. The class started with a tour of a nearby fresh market. Where our group was introduced to various Thai vegetables and combinations by the assistant instructor. And various grades and types of rice. Once we got inside the academy, our places were laid out with the ingredients we would need to make our chosen dishes. We had chosen to learn how to make Thai green curry, tom yam soup, pad Thai, and minced chicken with basil. The class started off with lots of pounding of spices and other ingredients in a pestle and mortar to make Thai green curry from scratch. Then we moved on to chopping vegetables for the other dishes we were making. The group was given a demonstration of preparing traditional mango and sticky rice for dessert. As the sticky rice would take time to cool, the dessert making demo was before we cooked our dishes. This version used the traditional blue sticky rice made with pandan leaves and coconut milk. Then it was time for the class to begin cooking the ingredients we had prepped and combining them with various sauces to create Thai flavors. Under the supervision of the chef instructor, we took to the stoves and began the cooking. Thai green curry, minced chicken with basil, sauté chicken, pad Thai, Neo made the tom yam soup. Then we sat down to enjoy the fruits of our labors. And our classic mango and sticky rice dessert. When we were about to leave, the chef drew our attention to this QR code, which gives the recipes we cooked and others. Link in the description below. crossing the street to meet our taxi, we saw this river of motorcycles. We took a taxi to the neighbouring city of Pattaya. Where we checked into the 5-star Avani Pattaya Resort Hotel. The room had this great view of sunset over the next door beach and boats. Then we went to look for supper nearby the Tiffany show theatre, so we would be on time for the show at 19:30. We chose a restaurant that offered a variety of Japanese and Thai dishes. We returned to the theatre before showtime to take some pictures. And to admire the pride decorations. We headed inside to sit in the second row of the VIP silver seats close to the stage. The show, billed as the first and original transgender show, featured performers miming to playback with a lot of costume and scenery changes. As they were performing many songs that are doubtless copyrighted, I have to mute the audio. It was very irritating that a staff person stood at the back and pointed a green laser pointer at me whenever they saw me using my camera. It was both annoying and dangerous. Thus, I snuck these shots, which explains the poor framing. They made good use of the moving video screens as scenery. I especially enjoyed their rendition of the gay national anthem, It's Raining Men. Despite their laser harassment, they had the nerve to play this announcement at the end of the show, encouraging people to post on social media.
Please do not hesitate to share your experience on your social media. We all wish you a very good night.
After the show, we walked out to the front of the theatre where audience members were taking pictures with the performers in costume. We were expected to tip 100 baht if we wanted a picture with the performer. I tipped this lady to stand in front of the fountain for this shot. On our way to the theatre, we had passed the night market with a 747 plane parked in the middle. We decided to walk to the market along streets where almost every other store was a massage place or a cannabis dispensary. We stopped into a dispensary to check it out and asked to take pictures of the display. We wandered around the Runway night market to look at the decommissioned 747 and we had a snack. Then we walked to the famous Pattaya Beach to take in the night air before heading back to the hotel. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.